Kita yung brief ng daddy dyan sa take one. Okay. Bella. Hey, look to your daddy, Bella. I'm
Hello,
saying.
Bella, Bella.
Yeah. Please
Bella.
look to your good-looking daddy grandpa.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi, it's mommy.
You're looking to your
Mama,
mommy.
come to mama.
Because you don't like your daddy anymore, right? Eh, nung hindi ka pa nakakakita nga, lagi ka sa daddy. Ba ngayon nakakakita ka na, Bella? Ah, hindi mo na pinapansin daddy mo, Bella.
Bella, come to mama.
Bakit ganun? Ah.
Oh.
Nakakakita ka na, lagi ka na kay mami. Natatawa ka pa.
Bella, come to mama.
Ah,
Mama's here. Oh, mama, mama.
by the way, guys,
Mama.
the other day, I think, yesterday, Bella said, unfortunately, it's not caught on camera, guys. Bella said, Ma. After a few seconds, she said, Mama. And Daddy get jealous, like, oh, so sorry, Daddy. Yeah, come on. Repeat what you said yesterday.
Ma.
Come on.
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Okay, Bella?
Oh, Bella. Bella, Bella. Oh, mama.
After Mommy.
Mama.
Mommy.
Come to mama, Bella.
Ito
Oh?
ba, Mommy? Masarap naman ng may Bella.
Bella, oh, Bella. Bella, ay. Cotton cam.
Ganda ng Bella, no?
Bella. Bella, Bella, Bella. Bella, Bella, Bella.
Ba? Hindi siya nag-aanap ng Mommy.
Nalilibang dyan sa may curtain.
Nililibang sa kurtina si Bella. Hindi siya naglahanap. Ma'am, kaya pa na yung tawag ng
Mama. Mama, ma. Mama, mama.
You like daddy na, Bella? Or you just want the carton? Okay?
Say it, Daddy, da.
Bella, you just want the carton, Bella? I think Bella just want the carton, Mommy. She really doesn't care about daddy. It's only the carton. Bella. We love you, Bella. Our sweet Bella. You make us happy when we are sad. You're always. What's Mommy next?
We always have you
We always have you
inside our heart.
inside our hearts. If
When
you're
you're here
we're
with me.
happy. Daddy's crazy like a rat.
I love you, Bella. Oh, Bella, Bella.
You make us happy when we are sad. We always love you inside heart. Next, Mommy, again.
Nagkabisote ang daddy.
Then you always forget the second part. Okay. We always have you inside the heart. We're happy if you're here with us.
Si daddy mo ngayon, parang mangingino mo. Laki ng tiyan.
Dati simula naging baby ka na sa amin, hindi na nakapag-enjoy ng red wine. Pabili na lang ng gatas tsaka diaper. Gatas na lang tsaka diaper. Tira pa naman ang red wine tsaka. Grabe. Cute ng Bella namin. Napaka... Wala.
May nakita na naman siya kakaiba.
Bella. You're very talkative yesterday, Bella. Oh. Bella is very strong baby, guys. Bella is very strong baby, guys. Look. 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 Juan. You want
Hey.
to go to mommy?
Chinita girl.
Oh, mommy. Mommy love you. Mommy love Bella. Daddy love Bella. Daddy love mommy. Mommy love daddy. We love each other. May, abay pupo. Parang hindi pa. Wala pa naman. Ang kulit ng daddy. Di ba? Bella, if you're 20 years old, daddy's already how old, Bella? Daddy's already about 8 years old? Huh?
No.
Oh my goodness. Imagine
Mga
you're going to
76.
Okay, you're still studying, Bella, and daddy is already 80 plus years old. Wow, it's gotta be exciting, Bella. oh yeah.
Di ka mag-aalala, Bella, kasi may pension na daddy mo nun.
Oh, very small money. Very small money. The pension is very small. But there's again a salary increase of pension. As a pensioner, guys.
Ilang years ka na lang ba magulog doon? Ba't hindi mo pa inulugan?
Ano na?
Yung SS mo, ilang years pa?
Okay lang. Kasi meron silang offer na ano eh. Pagkakautangan na naman sa SS. 64% lang. Mas mababa kaysa sa bangko. Ha?
Hindi naman yung pwedeng lakihan, ano?
Yun.
Yung,
Pwede ah.
voluntary.
Pwede ah.
Pag nilakihan may voluntary, lalaki ba yung pension?
Mas malaki pension.
Eh di dapat pala gawin mo ngayon 2,000.
Pagkakumita na kami sa YouTube, lalaki ang daddy. Ano ba yan?
Dapat yung pension mo na ano.
Tanda na ni daddy. Mommy's already talking about pension.
Kailangan malaki kasi mga lolo na yung daddy mo.
Mommy's talking about pension already. Meaning how, that's how old your old talkative daddy grandpa. But anyway, still okay. No problem.
Parang apo na lang yan.
Yes, that's why daddy grandpa, Bella, right? Dapat pala live na lang mami eh.
Oo nga, nangangawit na nga ako.
Pati yung mga mag